Rhinoscleroma. Rhinoscleroma is a chronic granulomatous disease caused by gram-negative bacillus called Klebsiella rhinoscleromatis or Frisch bacillus. The disease is endemic in several parts of the world. In India, it is seen more often in the northern than in the southern parts. This is a case of rhinoscleroma. As you note, it starts from the lateral edge of the nose and goes on to involve the upper lip. Pathology. The disease starts in the nose and extends to the nasopharynx, oropharynx, the subglottic region, please note, of the larynx, trachea, and bronchi. The mode of infection is unknown, and both genders of any age may be infected. Clinical features. The disease runs through the following stages, namely, number 1, atrophic stage. It resembles atrophic rhinitis and is characterized by foul smelling, purulent nasal discharge and crusting. Granulomatous stage. The granulomatous nodules form in the nasal mucosa. There is also subdermal infiltration of the lower part of the external nose, upper lip, giving a woody feel. Nodules are painless and non ulcerative. Cicatricial stage. In this causes stenosis of the nares, distortion of upper lip, adhesions in the nose, nasopharynx, and oropharynx. There may be subglottic stenosis with respiratory distress. Diagnosis. Now, biopsy shows infiltration of submucosa with plasma cells, lymphocytes, eosinophils, Mikulicz cells, and Russell bodies. The latter two are diagnostic features of the disease. Mikulicz cells are large foam cells with a central nucleus and vacuolated cytoplasm containing the causative bacilli. These are Mikulicz cells, vacuolated and containing the infected bacilli. Russell bodies. Russell bodies are homogeneous eosinophilic inclusions bodies found in plasma cells. I repeat, Russell bodies are homogeneous eosinophilic inclusion bodies found in plasma cells. They occur due to accumulation of immunoglobulins secreted by the plasma cells. The causative organisms can be cultured from the biopsy material. These are the Russell bodies, and they are eosinophilic inclusion bodies found in the plasma cell. Eosinophilic inclusion bodies found in the plasma cell. Treatment. Both streptomycin 1 gram per day and tetracycline 2 gram per day are given together for a minimum period of 4 to 6 weeks. I repeat, streptomycin 1 gram per day and tetracycline 2 gram per day are given together for a minimum period of 4 to 6 weeks, and this is repeated if necessary after 1 month. The treatment is stopped only when 2 consecutive cultures from the biopsy material are negative. Steroids can be combined to reduce fibrosis. Surgical treatment may be required to establish the airway and correct nasal deformity. A comprehensive overview of rhinoscleroma.